Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the YEEZY 350 V2 ONYX. Originally released in May 2021 for $230, these kicks boast a comfortable prime knit upper that hugs your foot and a lightweight, bouncy adidas boost sole for all-day comfort. As for sizing, I recommend going up a size for optimal comfort. They are now reselling for $290 to $320 on the secondary market. Let me know in the comments what you think of them. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.